Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating this Independence Day with a difference due to COVID 19 and social distancing. Nevertheless, the love for our country stands unchanged because we are Indians and united we stand against this pandemic. I would like to thank all our workers, the policemen, the doctors, the social workers, the sweepers, those who are working so hard day and night to keep us safe so that we stay home, stay safe. So now I would like to present my class ones, my little Fapsians who would like to pay their tribute to these people who are working so hard to keep us safe in this pandemic. So here is a tribute to our frontline warriors.
Independence Day to all my teacher and principal sir.
Hello friends, I am a banker.
Hello friends, I am serving my community by learning and helping. Stay home, stay safe. Vande Bharat. Helping the older people and taking care of them by providing necessary food items to them. Wash your hands regularly. Sanitize your parcels.
I'm Parvo Berry. I am at your service.
This is your order, this is your bill. Please sanitize before you are open. I am a sweeper. I am the COVID warrior of my country, India. Worried about you? Don't worry. I am here to protect you and your family.
COVID-19 situation. Please keep your surrounding clean.
I am a sanitizer boy. I sanitize houses and communities. So Indian, I am out. Keep safe in the house.
During this COVID-19, please stay home and take care of your family. Jai Hind.
I am Corona fighter. Please support us. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I am a policeman. Jai Hind.
I'm serving my nation in this difficult time by providing medicines and necessary items to people in need. Sanitize your hand, wear your mask, and we can fight against corona. Thank you. कोविड-19 से बचने के लिए घर पर सुरक्षित रहे, बाहर ना निकले. I am Dr. Nigel Fernandez. Hello Indians. I am serving the nation by helping my brothers and treating them from this COVID-19. I am doing my part. You do your part by staying indoors. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Doctors are fighting corona from front line to keep you safe.
Wear your mask, use sanitizer, wash your hands, and stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Mata.
Who go out, cover the nose and mouth with a mask. We maintain social distancing. Stay home, stay safe.
Wear your mask and carry sanitizer. I'm a doctor. I will treat.
Have your sanitizer. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rajata. I am a doctor. Maintain social distance. Drink plenty of water. Let's we can defeat COVID-19. Thank you. Teacher, against COVID-19. Wash your hands. Stay home, stay safe. National Achievers Dhirubhai Ambani.
Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is famously known as Gurudev. Sania Mirza is the most successful Indian tennis player.
Vishwanathan Anand is an Indian chess player.
Happy Independence Day. I am Tata. Captain Vikram Batra.
I am from Ganguly.
I am Subedar Joginder Singh reporting. सबसे अच्छा हिंदुस्तान है हमारा, हम बुलबुलें इसके, ये गुलसिता है हमारा. अमेरिका से मौका मिलते नहीं, बनाए जाते हैं.
I am Indian Navy Army. We protect India from ocean enemies.
Military man, I protect people. Stay home, stay safe. Vande Mataram. मैं अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, मुझे सत्ता का लोभ नहीं, मुझे किसी से डर नहीं लगता. जय हिंद. Mother Teresa is one of them. She was a nun. She helps the poor.
Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was India's first Minister of Law and Justice.
P.J. Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. Guru Rabindranath Tagore, he was the great poet. He wrote our national anthem. P.J. Abdul Kalam is scientist. Hello everyone, Sajid Khan is a superstar of South Indian movie. He is a famous actor. Superstar Rajnikant. Today is a movie star. He is a god of every Indian, especially for Tamils. Mary Kom, she is our national achiever. She is the only female to win medals for World Boxing Championship. P.J. Abdul Kalam was an Indian scientist. He is known as the Missile Man of India. Sunil Chhatri is an Indian professional footballer who plays as a striker and captain of the Indian national team. Jai Hind. I, Sachin Tendulkar. I was captain of India. King Yusuf Khaja Hamid, he is chairman of Cipla Medicine Company. Our company is making medicine for coronavirus, which is now become pandemic. Wish you a happy Independence Day and requesting you to stay at home and safe life. Thank you. Manish Bhupati, the tennis player. Best cricket captain and player. Yet I am talking about MS Dhoni.
Mr. Sundar Rajan Pichai, he is the CEO of Alphabet and Google. In his early age, he is the great achiever and inspiration of our young generation. Jai Hind. Stay home, stay safe.
Namaste Devya and Sajjano. I am Amitabh Bachchan. I don't play for the crowd. I play for the country. Mr. Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is an Indian industrialist. Hi everyone, happy Independence Day. Bye. The Taj Mahal in Agra is one of the wonders of the world.
फरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाज़े का दिल में है.
My message to all is maintain peace and equality. Jai Hind. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি স্বাগত। এই দেশ স্বাধীন হয়, আমরা সবাই মিলে মিশে একসাথে বাস করি।
গান্ধীজি, নেতাজি, রাসবিহারী বসু এরা ভারতের স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রামী। রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের লেখা জনগণ মন আমার জাতীয় সঙ্গীত। আর জাতীয় পতাকা তিনটি রং আছে, গেরুয়া, সাদা, সবুজ। মাঝে আছে অশোক চক্র। একজন ভারতীয় হিসাবে আমি গর্বিত। নমস্কার।
जय हिंद।
I would like to thank our principal, Mr. I.T. Myers, our headmistress ma'am, for giving us this opportunity and also of coming up with this idea of celebrating this Independence Day through the means of internet. I would also like to thank our parents who put in a lot of effort in making this program possible. Today, the whole world is suffering because of this pandemic, and we pray that this situation gets better and that we can start our normal life again. We have come to the conclusion of this program, so I would request all our viewers to stand up and join
us to sing the national anthem. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you all. Jai Hind.